So, you're completely locked out of your utility account right now, aren't you? It is an incredibly frustrating circular trap. You need your account number to register online, but you need to log in to actually find that number. It's a massive headache, especially when you just want to manage your profile or sort out a weird billing issue. Well, stick with me. In this explainer, you're going to learn exactly how to bypass this barrier, uncover your account number, and take back control of your utilities today.
Let's dive straight into this incredibly common catch-22. You're staring at a screen asking for a 12-digit account number to make an online profile, but the only place you know to look is inside that very online profile. Look, utility companies lock this down for your own security, which is great, but it creates a literal roadblock for new residents or anyone just trying to set up digital payments for the very first time. Don't worry though, you are in exactly the right place to get this solved.
We are going to break that cycle today with a comprehensive step-by-step explainer. We'll be covering the LGE account number, accessing the LGE website, using the mobile app, email and paper statements, customer service assistance, and finally, a quick conclusion and disclaimer.
Starting off with Section 1, the LGE account number.
Before we actually find your number, let's quickly clear up a bit of confusion, because the letters LGE can mean a few totally different things depending on what service you're trying to access. We are focusing today on the Louisville Gas and Electric Utility, which uses a very specific 12-digit numeric identifier. This is completely different from LG Electronics, which just uses your registered email for things like smart TVs and appliances. It's also different from the LG Credit Union, which uses standard routing and checking numbers. So for your home utility bills, just remember, you're looking for exactly 12 digits.
Moving right along to Section 2, accessing the LGE website. When you go to the primary online platform at my.lge-ku.com and try to register a brand new user account, the system demands three things: your 12-digit account number, your billing zip code, and your primary phone number. If you don't have that 12-digit number yet, you just can't get past this standard portal registration wall. It will flat out reject you.
But here is the crucial workaround. You can use this clever bypass trick using the utility's digital validation form. Here's your step-by-step guide. Step 1. Instead of the main login page, you want to visit lge-ku.com/contact/residential/online. Step 2. On this specific form, look for the authentication type dropdown. It's going to default to asking for your account number, but you can swap that to Social Security number. Step 3. Submit your full SSN, your name, and your service address. The system validates your identity against their database and securely emails your account details directly to you. Boom, you've just bypassed the wall.
Section 3. Using the mobile app. Once you finally have your account credentials sorted out using one of our methods, the official LG&E and KU mobile app is a fantastic on-the-go tool to keep right in the palm of your hand. You can grab it entirely for free from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. This app is incredibly powerful. It empowers you to instantly check past bills or access your profile settings where, get this, that 12-digit account number is permanently stored for your convenience. You won't ever have to go hunting for it again. Plus, it lets you pay your bills securely, report pesky outages, view interactive outage maps, and easily manage your paperless billing.
Let's look at Section 4, email and paper statements.
Okay, so if the website bypass trick didn't work for you, there is a stark difference between how you retrieve the number depending on your personal billing preferences. If you get a traditional printed statement in the mail, it's easy. Your 12-digit number is printed loud and clear right at the top right corner of the physical page. But if you opted into paperless billing, the approach requires a specific digital step. And honestly, this is a brilliant safety net. Paperless filling emails from LG&E contain a direct, secure link to view your complete digital statement. Clicking that secure link from your monthly email notification bypasses the login screen entirely. It uses a secure token to generate a full digital rendering of your bill, displaying your 12-digit account number right on the screen, without you ever having to type in a single username or password. Just search your email inbox for LG&E and click the link in your most recent bill.
Section 5, customer service assistance. If you are completely locked out of your email and the web portal, don't panic. Before you pick up the phone for this ultimate telephony safety net, make sure you have these specific pieces of identifying information ready so the automated system can actually validate you. You're going to need your full Social Security number or your federal tax ID if it's a business account, and your exact billing zip code. And please grab a pen and paper right now so you are ready to write down that 12-digit number when they say it.
All right, here are the numbers you need to dial.
For LGE, call 502-589-1444. And for KU or ODP, call 800-981-0600. The best part? You can call these 24-hour automated interactive voice response, or IVR, numbers absolutely anytime, day or night. You literally do not have to wait for normal business hours for this trick to work.
Here is exactly how to navigate that phone call. Step 1, dial the 24/7 line. Step 2, select the Fast Path Automated Billing option from the main menu. Step 3, by using the automated prompts, you can input your social security number and zip code to verify your identity, completely bypassing the need for your account number. Step 4, the automated voice will read your balance, your due date, and finally that elusive 12-digit account number out loud to you. Write it down immediately.
Section 6, Conclusion and Disclaimer. We've covered a lot of ground today, so the real question is, which of these methods are you going to use right now to finally take control of your LG account? I highly encourage you to apply what you've learned immediately. Don't wait until your bill is past due. Whether it's using the website bypass trick with the Social Security form, digging up an old paperless email link, or simply calling the automated line with a pen in hand, take action right now.
As always, while we strive for absolute accuracy in this explainer to make your life just a little bit easier, this information is for educational purposes. Please verify details independently and never hesitate to reach out directly to an LGE customer service representative for personalized advice. You now have the master key to your utility account. But it really begs the question, with companies locking down our data this tightly for our own protection, what other essential digital barriers in your life are you currently locked out of without even realizing it?